break a leg means good luck. For example, when the team went out for the final race, the coach shouted out to them, break a leg. It's on me means I pay for it. For example, hey, if you want to get a coffee too, it's on me. Beats me means I have no idea. For example, beats me how she found out we did it. Go Dutch means share the cost of a meal. For example, I'll go Dutch with you on the movie if you want. Catch up means see you later. For example, you walk on and I'll catch up with you later. Hit me up means contact me. For example, hit me up when you're at the party. Dead tired means exhausted. For example, she was dead tired, it had been a long day. Take it easy means bye for now. For example, maybe we should take it easy after what happened at New Year's. Okay by me means it's fine. For example, I just wasn't in the mood to dance and that was okay by me. Give me a break means leave me alone. For example, aren't you finished yet? Give me a break. I only started 10 minutes ago. Not in my books means disagree. For example, a hit like that should never be tolerated in a game. Not in my book, anyway. Not my cup of tea means not interested. For example, thanks for inviting me, but ballet isn't really my cup of tea. Make up your mind means to decide. For example, I can't make up my mind where to take my vacation. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.